Hello everyone and welcome back once again to your YouTube channel that is MJ EduTech. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन्स हा टॉपिक पाहणार आहोत. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सर्वप्रथम आपण कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन्स म्हणजे काय हे पाहूयात. व्हॉट आर कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन्स? कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन इज अ वर्ड मेड बाय शॉर्टनिंग अँड कंबाइनिंग टू वर्ड्स. दोन शब्दांना लहान करून किंवा एकत्र करून जो फॉर्म बनवला जातो त्याला कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन असं म्हणतात. वर्ड्स लाईक आय हॅव which is made from I plus have, then don't which is made from do plus not, and I am which is made from I am, I plus am. These are contractions. ही काही contractions ची उदाहरणं आहेत. We often contract or shorten words while speaking in English. इंग्रजीत बोलत असताना बऱ्याच वेळा आपण कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन्सचा वापर करत असतो. आता कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन्स कशा पद्धतीने बनवले जातात? हाऊ वी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट द वर्ड्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, we say he's instead of he is. he is म्हणण्याऐवजी आपण he's असा शब्द वापरत असतो. इथं आपण he is ला शॉर्ट केलेला आहे. And how we shortened it? By inserting an apostrophe instead of the missing letter or letters. Note that we usually insert an apostrophe in place of missing letter or letters in writing. Contractions लिहित असताना आपण जे अक्षर गाळत आहोत, जे अक्षर वगळत आहोत त्याऐवजी apostropheचा वापर करत असतो. For example, the contraction didn't means did not. As you can see, the O in not isn't in the word didn't. The apostrophe goes in its place right between the N and T. या उदाहरणात आपण पाहू शकतो की didn't आपण did not साठी वापरलेला आहे आणि not मधील O जे आहे ते didn't मध्ये आपल्याला दिसत नाहीये. त्याऐवजी आपण तिथं N आणि T च्या बरोबर मध्ये apostropheचा वापर केलेला आहे. अशा पद्धतीने आपण कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन फॉर्म्स तयार करत असतो by using apostrophe in between the letters. We'll see some example sentences where contractions are used. I'll call you later. Here we contracted I and will. I will call you later becomes I'll call you later. Then they are playing. Here we contracted two words they and are. They are playing. Instead of that we used they are playing. Next example is who's calling. Okay, the sentence is who is calling, but we contracted two words who plus is and we made who's calling. We made the contraction whose. So the sentence is like this, who's calling. So these are some example sentences where contraction forms has been used. Next we will see some common contractions. In English there are fairly small number of contractions and they are all made out of common words. Here are some of the contractions you will see the most. इंग्रजीमध्ये सहसा वापरण्यात येणारी जी contractions आहेत ती आता आपण पाहूयात कोणकोणती आहेत ती. So here are some examples. I plus would or I plus had becomes I'd. Just like that, I plus will becomes I'll. I plus have, I've. I plus am, I am. She plus had or she plus would becomes she'd. She plus will, she'll. They plus will, they'll. They plus are, they're. They plus have, they've. We plus had or we plus would, we'd. We plus will, will. We plus are, we're. We plus have, we've. It plus will, it'll. It plus is, it's. That plus is, that's. There plus is, theirs. Where plus is, where's. Let plus us, let's. Can plus not, can't. Could plus not, couldn't. Did plus not, didn't. Does plus not, doesn't. Do plus not, don't. Had plus not, hadn't. Has plus not, hasn't. Is plus not, isn't. Should plus not, shouldn't. Was plus not, wasn't. Will plus not, won't. Would plus not, wouldn't. Could plus have, could have. Might plus have, might have. Must plus have, must have. Should plus have, should have. Would plus have, would have. And who plus is, whose. Okay, these are some common contractions that we often use while speaking in English. इंग्रजी बोलत असताना ही common contractions जे आहेत ते आपण नेहमी वापरत असतो. या व्यतिरिक्त देखील काही contractions आहेत, but for example we have chosen these examples for this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you got the concept of contractions. कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन म्हणजे काय किंवा कशा पद्धतीने दोन शब्दांना एकत्र करून आपण त्याचा कॉन्ट्रॅक्टेड फॉर्म तयार करत असतो, हाऊ वी यूज अपॉस्ट्रॉफी इन बिटवीन द लेटर्स, हे सर्व आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे आणि मला खात्री आहे की हा व्हिडिओ नक्कीच तुम्हा सर्वांना उपयुक्त ठरणार आहे. Thank you very much for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.